In a world striving for connection and understanding, the Transcend project emerges as a beacon of innovation and unity. Hosted by the Institute for Advanced Studies and Cooperation, Transcend harnesses the profound capabilities of artificial intelligence and blockchain technology. Imagine interacting with life-sized holographic avatars, each embodying the wisdom of historical figures. This isn't just science fiction, it's our reality. These avatars are not mere replicas. They are the essence of historical wisdom, designed to engage, educate, and inspire us across cultural and temporal boundaries. With Transcend, we are setting new standards for how technology can enhance human interaction, making philosophical and historical dialogues accessible to everyone. This project is a testament to global cooperation. With the support of heritage investments and our international partners, we are pioneering the integration of technology with cultural heritage. Every step is recorded, shared, and analyzed to ensure that Transcend not only meets but exceeds the ethical standards necessary for a truly transformative impact. Join us on September 5th, 2025 at the Pontifical Academy of Science in Vatican City for the unveiling of Transcend at the World Changers Summit, a milestone event celebrating unity and progress. Transcend is more than a project. It's a movement. Together, we are bridging gaps, connecting cultures, and revolutionizing our approach to education and spirituality through technology. Be part of this historic journey. Help us shape the future. The Heritage Platform is a groundbreaking blockchain-based system designed to facilitate the funding and cultural integration aspects of the Transcend project.